What was your first sort of pilot test, and if you're able to share that, how did that go?
So it all started. I mean, both we are three co-founders in the company: Paul, Mark, and myself. And Paul and myself, we come from academia. Paul is a professor at the University of Edinburgh. I'm now a professor in Madrid, and we've been knowing each other for a very long time. And we've been working together relatively recently, since let's say 2018, 17, 18, we started to work on AI applied to network management. And through our academic work, we got in touch with mobile network operators and started those were at the time academic collaborations with them. So we were lucky enough that they granted us access to their data, and we started playing with that. And we saw that, as I was saying, there is an interest in applying AI tools to this kind of data to manage the network. And this is where we started from and say, okay, we had real data. We could test that AI made sense for this data. Of course, not in production or not even in a prototype system. It was, I would say, mere simulations, but still the data was real, right? So it was the actual data that was flowing through the network. And this is where we started from. We sort of validated the concept using real measurements. And then we started to, think about the company. Mark, who's the third co-founder, he's let's say, he's been in the business of startups for a long time. He successfully exited a number of those. So he helped us with the first steps, and we moved forward exploiting the collaborations with operators that we had developed during the, let's say, academic times. And I would say that it took us around 2 years to get to the point where we could convince an operator to run an actual proof of concept. And this is, why I was saying that it's very difficult to convince operators of the value of AI. And essentially, the company is also relatively new. It was founded, a little bit more than 2 years ago. So we are now at the point where we're starting demonstrating our technology live in real production deployments. And we're doing that with a couple of operators. I don't think I can disclose the names, but we're going live, yes.